Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And good afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to make potato egg curry with the boiled white rice and some chapatis as well, because I like chapatis with them. So here is salt, red crushed chilies, and turmeric. So I'm not putting any extra herbals or anything because my kids will not going to eat. So this is all like whatever is comes with normal ingredients. And here is ginger and garlic, 4 potatoes. Here is 2 onions, and here is eggs. I'm going to put, obviously I will show you how. So these are all ingredients. Oh yes, I forget about the tomatoes. So I am going to take out tomatoes. There is gonna be 4 tomatoes. Here is 3. I'm going to open the packet and I will take out one more. So it's gonna be 4 tomatoes, 2 onions, and 6 pieces of garlic, and ginger, and here is potato. So I am going to start with onions first. So here my pan is ready. So I am going to put half cup of oil first, and first of all I am going to turn on the cooker, and here is oil. I use olive oil. First of all, put the oil over there. Now oil is done. So now I am going to start with onions. First of all, onions I'm going to chop, and then I'm gonna put in. Once this is gonna be little bit brown, then I will put ginger, garlic and ginger. Once everything will be brown, then I'm gonna put the spices in. Once they are ready, then I will put the tomatoes in. Once everything's turned into a proper sauce, when everything will turn into the proper sauce, then I will put the potatoes in. And once they're gonna be proper cooked, then I will put the egg, but I will tell you later on how. So stay tuned and I will show you in next step what I will do. Keep watching. Thank you.